Hello YouTube, it's Tech Masters here today, and we're going to be explaining how you can improve your Windows 10 Wi-Fi in 2 simple steps and stop having the annoyingly slow Wi-Fi speeds that Windows 10 sometimes gives you. And all you have to do, they're very simple. First thing, while your Wi-Fi is connected, go over the Wi-Fi symbol in the lower right corner, right click. Open Network and Sharing Center, and then right here you're going to click on where it says your Wi-Fi connection and highlighted in blue, and then here you're going to go and click on the properties that has the yellow and blue shield in the lower left corner of your Wi-Fi status. Click on Configure, and up here in the upper right corner there's a box called Power Management. You need to click on that. By default, this top box is automatically clicked where it says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. I don't know what the glitch is with Windows, and it's been this way ever since they instituted this on Wi-Fi, but it just tends to throttle it when you don't want it to, and then when you're in idle it stays throttled. But you can be in the middle of using it or trying to game with it, and it will automatically basically shut your Wi-Fi card off, and you just sit there and spin. So what you want to do is you want to uncheck that box. Click OK. Click Close. Close this out. Once you do that, you'll find that your Wi-Fi is going to be much more responsive. You're not going to have those times where you click to open a web page and it just sits there and it's like it has no signal whatsoever. That will have gone away. That is the biggest problem that I've found with the Windows 10 Wi-Fi. That setting it should have never been enabled from the get-go. I understand they're trying to save power. It's a world that's a green world, but at the same time it doesn't allow your computer to operate, in my experience. The other thing you can do, and this is going to have a huge effect on your speed of your Wi-Fi, go down to your search box and type in run, and you just open that up, and then what you need to type in here is gpedit.msc, and then just hit enter, and that's going to bring up your local group policy editor. Under that you're going to want to open administrative templates, and under the administrative templates you're going to want to open the network. Let me open this up and widen it out for you a little bit. And then under the network, you're going to want to drop down QoS Packet Scheduler. And you click on that one. And over here to the right, you're going to see a page that says Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Double click that, and it'll bring this up. Now by default, yours is going to be on Not Configured, and your bandwidth limit percentage, I believe, is going to read either 80 or 20%. I don't remember off the top of my head what it is, but basically what it's doing is it's limiting your bandwidth that you have available to use on the computer. You want to change that to 0, and then click Enabled, and then click OK. Once you do that, your speed's going to increase dramatically, and I can prove it to you. If you go on the internet and you go to an internet speed test like Ookla, speedtest.net, before I did that I was getting about 30-35 down on my download, but my internet provider is allowing me up to 60 megs down. If I were to go there now and I type in speedtest.net, and then I click on www.speedtest.net, and it'll say speedtest.net by Ookla, you're going to bring up a page. Once this page loads, and once it's good to go, you can click on this little triangle here. It says Begin Test. And as you can see, I'm getting now almost my full 60 megs down on my down. and it's way faster. I was only getting 30 to start with. This setting will make a big difference, especially if you're trying to internet game over Wi-Fi, which is never recommended. But some people, you don't have a way to wire your house. Maybe you rent your house, you can't run cabling, whatever the situation may be. And some houses you can't use the Ethernet that'll run over your power lines, because let's say you have the old knob and tube wiring in part of the house. Those things don't work well like that. So you're forced to use Wi-Fi. If that's true, this makes a huge difference on your speed. Hopefully this helped you with your Wi-Fi issues. If it did, please give us a thumbs up. And other than a thumbs up too, if you want to see more of what we're going to have coming, we're going to have lots of tips, tricks, hardware reviews. We're going to do retro hardware reviews. I have a hardware review coming up on a Belkin N52 TE gamepad that we're going to do. Please subscribe, hit the notifications icon, and we're going to be bringing you this content. We hope you enjoy it. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to give them to us. We appreciate any constructive feedback. Well, we're just starting out. This is our third video, but we appreciate your support. Thanks, guys. Bye.